this video, we'll be looking at customer communications in YoPrint, how to use the messaging feature to its full potential. In YoPrint, all messages are automatically organized by order. YoPrint makes it easy to stay on top of your email communication with your customers. Let's look at messaging a customer from a sales order. Here you can see and change the email recipients. You can have multiple recipients. Click on Message Customer, and you'll see the message history. You can send your customers a message, and also update the message status. For example, let's send a new message. And then set the status for this message to awaiting customer reply. Instead of looking at it from the sales order level, you can also look at all your messages across all orders from the Messages List page. This page is kind of like a smart inbox. You can go through them and reply to what you need to. And you can also change the status. A handy trick here is to use a filter. Let's create a filter for all the messages with the status need to respond. Click on this plus button, put in a name for your filter, and select what the filter is based on. In this case, it's the status. We'll select status and need to respond. Click on Add. Then click on Create. Now you've filtered just the messages you need to respond to. You can double click on it, check out the message history, and send a new message, and change the status once you're done. You can also click on the sales order if you need some context, or take a look at the customer information. Some other filters you can create would be outbound messages to see everything you've sent. Or perhaps a bounced filter to see what's bounced, so you can contact your customer another way and let them know. And that's the messaging system in YoPrint. Everything's in one spot. Message statuses are completely customizable, and you can create plenty of filters to streamline your view and get through your messages quickly. If you have any questions, check out our knowledge base at support.yoprint.com or email our support team at support@yoprint.com.